Hello everybody, this is Dr. Seaton with the Chiropractic Place. Today's video is about posture and chiropractic. Now, a lot of people know that when you have poor posture, if you're sitting too long or you're forward a lot, most people can understand having some neck pain, maybe some back pain, some discomfort, possibly it, leading to a headache. Most people understand that poor posture can have that effect on your body, but poor posture over time can also affect other parts of your body. It can actually affect your mood. It, yes, can cause headaches and it can cause the back and neck pain, but it can also affect your breathing. Like most people, if you've ever tried it, put your posture like this as good as we can. Take a nice deep breath in. Pretty easy to do. Now try to bend forward like this. Bring your chin down and try to take a really big breath when you're in this position. It's a lot harder and it really pushes against your ribs. And you can notice just with that little test, the difference in your depth of your breathing when you have good posture versus poor posture. And so if you have chronic poor posture, like all the time, that's affecting your breathing. That affects the amount of oxygen you're getting to all of your cells. That'll affect your metabolism. That'll affect your thinking. That can affect your mood. All of that is linked together. In my opinion, breathing has a lot to do with that. If you're not getting the proper breaths, we know just having irregular, shallow breathing can trigger the sympathetic nervous system, like the fight or flight part of your nervous system. That can lead to release of cortisol, which we all know that type of fight or flight response can definitely affect your mood over time. So just try that out sometime where you're sitting and try to do the poor posture. Try to take as deep of a breath as you can and then do it with good posture. And you'll notice the difference. And wow, if I pay attention to this, this is really going to have an effect on my long-term health. The other thing that it can actually have an effect on is organ function. And posture has been studied for decades, and they've actually found decreased end organ function when you have chronic poor posture. The lungs are an organ. That little breathing little trick I showed you just demonstrates that. With bad posture, I can affect my breathing. I can affect how my lungs work. And if my lungs can't get oxygen in, I can affect my heart. So you can see now how important good posture is. And this is why I recommend to my patients to have some kind of ongoing chiropractic maintenance, even if it's once a month. Something to keep your spine moving and keep it healthy so we don't develop these chronic poor posture over time, which we know affects so much of your health. I'm Dr. Seaton with the Chiropractic Place.